corn oil is more than just a cooking staple. It's a fascinating product with a unique journey. It all starts with the corn kernel, specifically the germ, which is rich in oil. The extraction process involves pressing or using solvents to separate the oil from the germ. Once extracted, the oil undergoes refining to remove impurities, giving it that clear, golden appearance we recognize. But corn oil isn't just for frying up your favorite dishes. It's versatile, finding its way into baking, salad dressings, and even cosmetics. Plus, it's used in biodiesel production, making it an eco-friendly option. When it comes to health, corn oil is high in polyunsaturated fats, which can be beneficial, but moderation is key, as it's also calorie dense. Compared to other vegetable oils, it has a higher smoke point, making it great for high heat cooking. So, next time you reach for that bottle in your pantry, you'll appreciate the surprising journey it took to get there.